Hi guys, welcome back to a burst of flavor baking. This morning I'm going to be making fried aubergines. In some countries, aubergines is also known as eggplants, so I'm going to be making fried eggplants. Now, this recipe is both gluten-free and keto-friendly. You will need 2 medium-sized aubergines. Slice the aubergines in about 1/4 inch thick round pieces. In bowl number 1, place 1/4 cups coconut flour. Optionally add 1/4 teaspoon salt to this bowl. In bowl number 2, add 1/2 cup almond flour. Add 1/4 cup of crushed spicy pork rind. Add a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder. Optionally, you can add about 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. In the third bowl, lightly beat 3 eggs together. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. And line up your ingredients so that you have your eggplants, followed by your coconut flour, followed by your eggs, followed by your almond flour mix. Now coat your eggplant slices in this order, starting with your coconut flour, then dipping it into your egg, and finally dipping it into your almond flour mixture before you put it into the heated cooking oil. Fry until golden brown on both sides.